Hi guys, this girl is a I'm just gonna say this girl is a scammer and she scammed me. I give her this act where I can get it back, and I gave her an Egos too. I'd gone first and she gonna give me this account, but then she blocked me. See, nee, I can give you proof. Nee. This user has blocked you. Sorry, you can do this. You have been blocked from an interaction user. And by the way, her account is this. Oops, it got super laggy right now. Here, scammer. Luna the amazing star. I give her a drip top and sorbet. I got the account. See? Got the account. And I got OMG Ash. And I got the account for only like 6 or 3 days. And I thought she was scam free, but no, she just have to flip and do shit. I hate. So yeah, please get this a lot of views because I want this bitch to get a lot of scammers on a Gaby, and most people who do scammers and the on the Gaby will get a Goldie. Yep, a Goldie, or maybe this month hair. Okay, I think this month hair is much better. Okay, bye.